car.
Car just loud. We're not speeding. So quiet now, it's a hybrid.
It's crazy, huh?
Yeah, literally don't hear anything.
You're so loud! Yeah, I saw it!
Trouble.
This car is fast.
Yeah. Honestly, the traction is pretty good too.
I didn't flow it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I still like it though.
It's fast, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, my car sounds loud, but it's slow. Oh, dang! Those downshifts. They don't make these cars anymore.
Shit, no, it's fast, bro.
All-wheel drive.
Not even close.
All-wheel drive. Here we go. Oh no. Here we go. Wow. Oh, shit. ceramic?
Yeah, I'm not even stepping on the bricks.
Wow. That Bimmer can keep up.
Yeah, the Beamer is fast,
Alright, we're here at the meet. Look at all the spotters. Aw. SVJs. GTRs. A fur Mercedes SL. Yeah, that's the best car right here.
That's crazy. I'm from Gap, that's crazy.
Roll cage, race seats, harnesses, and a starlight headlamp.
Yeah.
And a wing you can stand on. They're fun. And they don't carry the same douchebag connotation as the Huracans do. So, you know what I mean? Same exact car, you get a better interior, you get all the digital dash display, you can actually see, I can fit in the car. They're not all that bad. Huracans are horrible.
I own it right here.
You know what? Huracan.
That's okay. I mean, and again, if you're not 6 feet tall, your Huracan's great. If you're 6 feet tall, you can fit in the fuck. I mean, I can, but I have to sit like a gangster. I'm fucking white. You can sit like that and get away with it. So yeah, the Huracan is great if you're a little bit shorter guy. Like yeah, you can fit them all day long. But I mean, and then they're literally the same.
Alright, so we're leaving for a cruise. You're like, oh, smoke! It's like, you can't hear his car. Yeah. 4x4. Yeah. I think it's a tank.
Your car's too loud, bro. Your car's too loud. My car's hybrid.
Yeah, that's enough room to do a donut.